Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to introduce you to the new Dewalt kit DCK985M2T. When you get the machine, it comes like this. It can then be separated into two boxes. In the first box, we have the 4-amp DCB105 Combi drill. It's a 3-speed machine, got the light underneath and a metal professional chuck. With that machine you get 2 batteries, you get the charger and you get a side handle. The great thing about this kit is that we also get a wide range of drill bits and screwdriver tips, number 2 posi, number 2 Phillips, and a range of masonry and wood bits and screwdriver holder. Also with this machine, on the second part we have the carrying handle for this, and we also get a wide range of screws and fixings, each in individual components. And it all comes together in the new T-stack system. That's the DCK985M2T from Dewalt.